The ABA Committee on Law School Accreditation voted to eliminate the LSAT as part of law school admissions. Now, this committee does not have the final say on this matter. It's going to go before the ABA delegation in February, and they can vote conclusively to approve or reject it. Unfortunately, I believe that they will approve it. But I have mixed feelings about the LSAT. The LSAT has been very good to me. I did very well on the LSAT. It got me into law school. It got me an excellent scholarship, but at the same time, it was a terrible predictor of how I would do in law school because I did very poorly my first year of law school. I improved significantly the second and the third year as I sort of learned how to play the game, but it was a poor indicator. Okay. On the other side, I knew people who did very, very poorly on the LSAT who were excellent law students. So the LSAT is not good at predicting who's going to be a good law student and who's not. But there needs to be some serious hurdles placed in front of somebody who wants to get into law school to show that they're serious about it, that they're going to meet all of these little challenges that they have to face before they get into law school. Because law school is challenging, the bar exam is challenging, and practicing law is extremely challenging. If you become an attorney and you actually practice law, the stakes are very, very high. Right? If you're in the criminal field, somebody could go to jail for a very long time if you don't know what you're doing. And in civil litigation or even in transactional work, you are dealing in most cases with somebody's life savings or their business, their life's work, or they were in a car accident and their financial future is put in your hands. So what you're being asked to do and what you have to do is extremely, extremely important and demanding. So the ABA and these law schools cannot just be letting anybody in and just having them go through the motions and get their degree and then be thrown into the legal profession meat grinder. Right? There has to be something there, like the LSAT, that a person has to go through along with all of the other nonsense you have to submit to in order to get into law school. Right? So I have mixed feelings about the LSAT. I think it's a bad idea to simply get rid of it. But it, in my opinion, wouldn't be such a bad idea if there was something similar to replace it with, like a standardized test where you actually ask questions about the law and how quickly can you read a case and summarize it and make an argument or something like that. I believe that would be a better indicator of how well you'll do in law school. Right? Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. If you have any questions for me, send me an email.